Our final conic section that we're going to look at in this section is the hyperbola or double hyperbola. Now, basically what we've always been taught is that a cone will continue, the extreme generators will continue to infinity. And basically that means that they'll go out above and below again. So you will continue on out. Now, however, most of the time that we do hyperbolas, we'll only generally draw double hyperbolas or singular hyperbolas. But again, the cutting plane will be parallel to your center axis of your cone. Now, that might not be, this is only a sketch, but the same system applies. Your focal sphere here is inside. So obviously the center of the focal sphere would be in line with this. Okay, the apex of the cone. Now again, where the sphere comes in contact with the cone, we would have a cutting plane going across there. And remember, now that would give you your directrix, DIR. Where the cutting plane and the extreme generator connect, that would give you your vertex. And where your focal sphere is in contact with your cutting plane, that will give you your focus. Now, I didn't do this here the same, but if you were to put the same situation up here, you would get the same points. Okay, so as I was saying, you would probably have a line going through the top here. I should have done this a little bit better. So you would have a line going across through there so that would be again your directrix. Now, where these two meet, that would be your vertex, your cutting plane and your extreme generator, and where your focal sphere hits your cutting plane, that would obviously be your focus. Now, when we're drawing them, our parabola would continuously get closer to the edges without actually touching. Now, that would mean these edges here would be called our asymptotes. Okay, now there's no real necessity for them for us to discuss that too deeply, because generally what we're going to be asked to do is draw either the hyperbola when we have both foci, when we have both vertex, both directrix. We may be asked to draw it via the rectangle method, but there's no point really going too deep into the hyperbola at the moment, as I don't think it becomes up very often in the exam papers where you would have to work all this stuff out. There's no real point in me giving you too much information. I'm going to move on now to how to draw the parabola using the rectangle method and the eccentricity method. I think they're probably the two easiest methods to learn, and generally they're the ones that are asked most often. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that now.